Hello friends and welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to explore some offbeat places in South Goa, and those are Agonda beach, Cabo de Rama fort and Cabo de Rama beach. All these three places are in north of Palolem beach. Agonda beach is about 10 kilometers from Palolem beach. It is near a small village called Agonda, which is in Kanakona, South Goa, India. It is one of the only 4 beaches designated as turtle nesting sites under the Coastal Regulation Zone 2011 notification. During the month of September, the beach serves as a nesting ground for olive ridley sea turtles. These turtles are endangered. Please keep the noise level and the lights low at this beach at night so as to give them a chance to nest. This beach is lined with many bars and restaurants, many small and simple or luxury shacks and huts. Agonda is a nice spot for sunbathing, swimming and relaxing with relatively few tourists. Agonda beach is very simple and natural. There are some sunbeds, but when the police arrives, any beachside sunbeds and chairs which are outside the confines of shacks disappear, and the beach looks even more gorgeous and makes you realize why you went there and not to some built-up resort. Friends, after spending some quality time at Agonda beach, I left for my next destination, and that is the Cabo de Rama fort. About 24 kilometers from Palolem beach and about 16 kilometers from Agonda, this fort was originally built by the local Sunda rulers. After that, it was added to the Portuguese colony by Nova Conquista, who named it as Cabo de Rama, also known as Cape of Rama or Cave of Rama. As per the Hindu epic Ramayana, it is believed that Lord Rama, during his exile from Ayodhya, stayed here. Maratha king Chhatrapati Sambhaji Raje rebuilt this fort after winning it from Portuguese. While British rule, it was used as a prison until 1955. The ruins of the fort give us a glimpse of its history. Once upon a time, the fort was equipped with 21 cannons to protect itself from its enemies. The fort provides majestic view of the entire length of Kolwa beach and the Kanakona stretch. Inside the Cabo de Rama fort, there is the Church of Saint Anthony, which is in excellent condition and is still used by the devotees. People come here to pray and to enjoy the mystical atmosphere of the fort. The prayers are being offered here every Sunday and Tuesday. Cliffs drop steeply to the sea provide a panoramic outlook of the surrounding areas at the western side of the fortress. Friends, if you are visiting this place, remember to carry food and water along with you, as there are no shops available nearby the fort. There are many up and down climbs here, which will make you both thirsty and hungry. The restaurants or hotels nearby the fort are around 2 kilometers away from the fort area. Friends, it will take you around 2 hours to explore this fort. Friends, my suggestion is to visit this place either early in morning or at the time of sunset. But remember that the fort is closed for the public after 5 pm. It will take you maximum 3 hours to explore this fort completely. Friends, Cabo de Rama fort is one of the oldest and largest fort of Goa. Amazing view of Arabian Sea with swaying coconut trees in distance will make you feel like you are on a tropical paradise. Friends, they don't charge any fees for you to enter the fort, but due to this there is zero maintenance at this place, which ultimately results in tourists leaving a lot of waste behind. Even a slight care and maintenance of this place will result in this place become a major tourist attraction. Friends, I found some amazing seaweeds and sea creatures at this place. I think this place is a safe house and feeding ground for sea cucumbers and many species of fish. Friends, I am simply short of words to express the view I witnessed. So my suggestion is to go and check out this place by yourself. No matter how much tired you are when you arrive here, once you reach down the rocky beach of Cabo de Rama Fort, I'm sure you will forget your tiredness and you will enjoy the views around. Friends, I spent some quality time at this beach and then left for my next destination. Adjacent to the Cabo de Rama fort is the Cabo de Rama beach. Very few tourists of those who visit the Cabo de Rama fort go to the Cabo de Rama beach. Cabo de Rama beach is difficult to reach and that's why you can call it one of the most secluded beach in Goa. Completely ignored by humans. This beach is cleanest, even more clean than the butterfly beach I visited in my last video. The water at this beach is super blue and the visibility inside the water is very good. This place is best for sunbathing without any disturbance to you. Friends, there is no tourist infrastructure on this beach and there are no lifeguards present at the beach. So going into the water for swimming is at your own risk. Friends, I am sure that after visiting this beach you will fall in love with this place. Friends, in my next video we are going to explore some more new places and have more fun. Till then, stay tuned with my channel and thank you for watching the video.